Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to connect Printify to Squarespace. First, you will want to be logged into your Printify account and in your Squarespace account. This will make it easier to connect to both. Next, we will go up here and click the name of your business and we'll click Add a New Store. If you have a new account, you will be prompted to add a sales channel in the setup. If you want a walkthrough for how to do that, I will add the card to the how to get started with Printify video. Now here we will go to Squarespace for our sales channel and we will click the website that we want to utilize Printify on. Next, we will review the permissions and we'll click allow. Here we will give our store name and then we'll click continue. Now you will see your congratulations that you've just connected your Squarespace store, and you can either visit your store or you can go to my products and add your products to this store. You will also need to add a store page to your Squarespace site, which Printify makes it easy to just click here and it takes you to your dashboard. For your products, you'll come here and here we'll click physical product, and this will open up the screen for adding a new product, which now we will see we have our products and our orders here. So that adds our store. If we go to website and our pages, we'll see that we now have our store. So now when we add products in Printify, it will be added to our Squarespace store. And that is how you add Printify to Squarespace.